I feel elated to take this opportunity to invite the correspondent, Rotarian Shri Harihara Prasad Garu, who is knowledgeable, intelligent, composed and generous and has been a constant pillar of support to us, to come to the dais and address the gathering.
Education is the most powerful weapon which you can use to change the world. My pranams to all brothers and sisters, the chief guest of today, Shri E.V. Narasimha Reddy Garu, IAS, Director of School Education and State Project Director, Samagra Shiksha, Government of Telangana, and guest of honor, Srimati R. Rohini Garu, District Educational Officer, Hyderabad District, Government of Telangana, and Deputy DEO Yaday Garu, అలాగే వేరు ఇంకొక డిప్యూటీ డిఓ గారు హైదరాబాద్ సిటీ నుంచి వారు కూడా వచ్చారు. సో వీరందరికీ our guest of honor, Sri E. Vijayalakshmi, Regional Joint Director of Education. She could not make it to the event today as she has been slightly indisposed, but the entire educational department is here to bless us and we are really fortunate. Narasimha Reddy Garu and Rohini Garu, alage our founder chairman Dr. Velchala Kondalrao Garu, our former principal Dr. Jayanti Venkatraman, our principal Dr. Lalita ma'am, my dear parents, teachers and my beloved students. A very good evening to you all. It is with immense joy and pride that I welcome you all to the annual day celebration, Rang Bhumi, a scintillating symphony of Sister Nivedita School. This year's celebration is particularly special as we honor not only the exceptional talents and hard work of our students, but also 35 years of dedicated service in education. As we reflect on this remarkable journey, we celebrate the solid foundation that has nurtured countless young minds, instilling in them values of knowledge, compassion, and integrity. For 3.5 decades, Sister Nivedita School has been a beacon of light, fostering an environment where every child can learn, grow, and shine. Inspired by the life and teachings of Swami Vivekananda and Sister Nivedita, education is about far more than what happens within the four walls of the classroom. It is made possible with the effort, determination, courageous decision, and compassion to listen to others. Our founder chairman is an embodiment of these qualities. The blessings of our esteemed founder chairman, Dr. Velchala Kondalrao Garu, an epitome of wisdom, boosts our morale. He is a freedom fighter, renowned writer, has been an eminent educationist, and served in the government of Andhra Pradesh, combined Andhra Pradesh and Telangana as principal director, joint director of higher education, and served the society in many ways. And finally, he retired as director of Telugu Academy, but is very strong and a source of inspiration to all of us, even today at his 94 plus age. I am glad to welcome you, sir. Kondalavu garu, namaskaram. Today, as we look around, we see the fruits of this mission. Our students are not only academically accomplished, but also confident, compassionate, and socially responsible individuals ready to make a positive impact on the world. We take immense pride in them, for they exemplify the values we hold dear. This evening celebration is more than a showcase of talent. It is a testament to the collective decision and dedication of our teachers and the relentless support of our parents and the unyielding support of our students and unyielding spirit of our students. Their contributions have been instrumental in helping our school thrive and grow. A special acknowledgement goes to our chief guest, Sri E.V. Narasimha Reddy Garu, IAS, Director of School Education and State Project Director, Samagra Shiksha, Government of Telangana, and guest of honor, Srimati R. Rohini Garu, District Educational Officer. Your gracious presence inspires us and reinforces our commitment to excellence, sir and madam. We are deeply honored by your support. I would also like to extend my heartfelt gratitude to our principal, Dr. T. Lalitha Kumari, whose visionary leadership and tireless efforts have propelled our institution to greater heights. She, along with her team of teaching and non-teaching staff, ensures the holistic development that keeps Sister Nivedita School a leader in educational excellence, shaping the future of countless young minds. Additionally, I bring the warmest greetings and best wishes from our chairman of our Sister Nivedita Foundation, Dr. Sudhakar Rao Pulsani, and Secretary of Foundation, Srimati P. Ramadevi, and members of Advisory Board, Mr. Karthik Pulsani, Dr. Nandu Gaurineni, and many others. They extend their heartfelt congratulations to all the students and achievers being recognized tonight for their dedication and hard work. As we embark on an evening filled with vibrant performances, inspiring speeches, and joyous celebrations, I invite you all to sit back, relax, and immerse yourselves in the creativity, energy, and talent of our students. Let's make this evening unforgettable, a fitting tribute to the legacy of Sister Nivedita School and a promise of even greater achievements in the years to come. Thank you, and let's cherish this moment together. Jai Hind.